how you can make $10,000s within a month or a period of 2-3 months. But before I continue, I would like to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that when I make a new video, you'll be the first person to access. Without wasting my time, let's begin. Have you heard about affiliate marketing before? I guess no. If yes, what's affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a program where you promote other people's business and at the end you get a commission. Currently, money is becoming very scarce and people are crying for money. But do you know you can make money with your smartphone or your PC? Of course, no. The solution is digistem. Digistem is an affiliate program platform where you can promote other people's business and you get commission at the end. So I want to take you to the page and teach you how you can sign up with digistem and start making $10,000s. Let's begin. So you open your browser. You have to open your browser and you type digistem. So when you come to home, it will give you this interface. So you have to click on get started, then you wait. So is it register a new account, create an account to access exclusive features and benefits. So you can register. So for the registration here, we have surname, email, the country is Ghana, mobile number, password, then you confirm password, then you click on I'm not a robot, then you sign up. So this is how you can sign up with digistem. So after signing up with digistem, then you can start promoting other people's product and be getting commission at the end. That will yield you an amount of dollars. So because I have an account already, let me log in and show you how you can promote the product of other people, company, and be getting commission. So over here, I'm going to put in my username. I'm going to put in my username and password. Then I'll click on I'm not a robot. So I have to verify that I'm not a robot. So I'm verifying that I'm not a robot. Then I'll sign in. So this is how it looks like. So we have e-learning, dashboard, membership, market, contest, leadership, leaderboard, activity, deposit, withdrawals, transaction, commission, then tutorial, URL shortener, and logout. So we come to the marketplace. That's where we are. Then we have the ultimate money machine. That is, it is selling at a price of $40. So for instance, like this, if you promote this product and someone buys the product, you get a commission of 50%. That is, you're going to get $20 of it. When you come here, we have WhatsApp, instant marketing, and the person who is owning this product name is here, and amount that the product is being sold, and the commission you are going to get at the end of it. And and we have a lot of them to here, a lot of the products here that you can promote. So what do you have to do when you want to promote the product? You just hit on the promote button that you see there, the promote button that you see there. So for instance, if let's say we want to promote ultimate money machine, no, let's promote Amazon KDP for a device. You click on promote, then you copy the link here. After copying the link here, you can shorten the link here too using the URL shortener. So you click on URL shortener, then you paste the link here, that's Control V, then you choose the number of words or maybe combination of words and letters that you want the links to be. So you click on 0 to 10, then combination of capital letters and small letters, then you generate a new link. After you generate this new link, you can copy this new link and share it to the various social media handles in order for people to also have access to this product and be getting your commission at the end. So this is basically how the digistem works, how you can promote digistem and be getting $100. If you are interested and you want to start this journey, I will leave a WhatsApp link. You can join my WhatsApp group for tutorials and for mentorship. Thank you for watching this video.